Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Bluetooth and how to connect Bluetooth device to Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. First you need to open this panel and find the Bluetooth. You can just tap on it and Bluetooth is enabled, and or you can hold it, and here we have more options. First we have the change name, rename phone, for example, and then click on the check mark. And next you can connect to some device and click on it, and then you can connect this device, click on it, and then click on the pair. Or you can go to the additional setting and turn on this option. And that's all for today. Goodbye.